car. Yo. With $10,000, I would first buy the wonderful Sennheiser's products like headphone and headsets, and I would invite 5 friends to form a boy band. And with the new Sennheiser's products and other entertainment units we just bought, we can record a CD. And remember, Sennheiser products, they are red, awesome, and naughty, dude. They are tight, fly, and off the chain. Hallelujah. Now that's what I'm talking about. My professional opinion of Sennheiser is 2 thumbs up. Buy them. And remember, pick me, your next winner. Until then, ciao. Whee!